Hi guys, I'm Horam, and in this video tutorial we will work on the dynamics form and the data will be from the API. So without further time wasting, let's get started. First, creating the empty project and removing the unnecessary code. Now we will create the another data file with named form data. Now first set up form data with stateful widget. First we will create the function which will request the data from API. I have created the mock API which have different fields and its values. Let's implement this. We will be using HTTP package for this. We will check if the response code is equal to 200, then we will return the data. Now coming toward to the design code, we will be using future builder for this, and inside we will use column to adjust different widgets. First widget will be circle avatar, then will be the text, then we will use list view to show the list of different rows from API. Let's implement this. In the future builder, we will first check if the snapshot has error. If there is error, we will show the simple text that has error. Then we will check for if the data is not null. Then we will implement the further columns and list view. Circular progress bar will be used during the loading of a data. Snapchat has data. Actually, we will be using this data which are coming from the API. So what's happening will be there is in the list view there will be the function which will be called row, and this row will return different widgets on the specific condition. There are mainly total 4 widgets. First one will be the select, and the second will be the radio, and the third will be the amount and text. For amount we will use the numeric keyboard, and for the text Now coming to the most important function, row. This is dynamic row which will return different widgets, okay, and this will take also index, name, field type, id, field data. In the row function there is total 3 condition. First condition is if the type is select, then this will return the select condition widget, and the next condition will be the radio. If the type is radio, then this will return the radio widget, and for the third and fourth condition this will return either text or amount added text view. Now we have implemented this function. Let's call this from the list view. Please don't forget to add these 2 values, physics and shrink web. Now let's run the app. Now this data is from the API. This data is totally depend on the API. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe our channel.